Hi everyone, welcome to Restart Living. I'm Ilya Gluskin. I'm a physical therapist and fitness coach. This video is going to be based around our backs and hips. It's going to be for beginners primarily, but it's good for anyone that might be recovering off an injury or just looking for a nice basic warm-up or routine to keep you active and feeling well through whatever it is you like to do in your downtime. This set of exercises is something I'm sure you've seen before, very common core stability drill, and that is your plank. However, we're going to talk about some modifications and some variables to throw in the mix to make it a little bit more challenging and just work a few extra areas and muscles, including the hips, to balance everything out. Okay, so for the modified plank, we can start on our knees, just like the modified push-up if you're familiar with that. Only now we gotta make sure our hips come forward, clench your glutes, brace your belly, and from there we're gonna hold this high plank without any movement. You can try legs up like so, or keep the toes down on the ground. Okay, if that's fairly easy, we're gonna drop down to our elbows. And again, just make sure there's a nice straight line through the whole spine, head, mid-back, low back, and bum. This exercise is going to be open books. We're going to keep warming up our spine and go back to our thoracic rotations in a little different position. Okay, so we're going to get back down on the ground on your side this time. You're going to kind of bend the knees up, one arm on top of the other. Your eyes are going to stay on top of the moving arm as you rotate as far back as you can and back to where you started. The key here is that you not only move your arm, but your trunk and spine is rotating as well. Okay, if you have a pillow, you can place it here to support your head. Exhale as you get to the end and try to get a little further each time. Make sure that as you do this, your legs don't rotate with you. For the next drill, we're going to do a press-up movement. Now this is going to focus on extension through the spine and also just getting down on the ground on our bellies. As we age, something we typically don't do as much, so I think it's good for all populations to get used to this. So we're going to get back down on our stomachs. We're going to go hands right under our shoulders. Relax the legs, relax the glutes, and as you push yourself up away, exhale, and try to keep your hips as close to the floor as you can. And you're gonna come back down and repeat. Okay, maybe you don't get all the way up right away, but see if you can get your elbows fully extended, fully straight and locked out. And back down. You might feel this in your triceps a little bit, that's okay. We're primarily trying to get some extension through our low back and mid back.